Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth reviews of the best products out there. And today, we've got something truly special for new parents. This is the best baby keepsake handprint footprint kit. The Little Hippo Baby Footprint and Handprint Keepsake Kit in Alpine White. Let's take a closer look at what makes this a must-have. The packaging is sleek, minimal, and beautifully designed, perfect for gifting. Inside, you'll find a full set ready to go. The hand-painted wood frame, 2 packs of soft, non-toxic clay, a mini rolling pin, double-sided tape, customizable stamps for name and date, and of course, an instruction manual that makes the whole process smooth and fun. What stands out right away is how soft and easy to mold the clay is. It's 100% safe, no toxic chemicals, no mess. Whether you're capturing those tiny newborn fingers and toes, or even your pet's paw print, this clay is gentle on all. The instructions walk you through everything step by step. From prepping the clay, to making the impressions, and finally assembling it all in the frame. You'll have it done in under 10 minutes. And let's face it, that's ideal when you're working around a baby's unpredictable nap schedule. The frame itself is impressive. Unlike other kits that use flimsy plastic, Little Hippo uses real glass, fog-free and crystal clear, which not only gives it a premium look but also keeps your keepsake protected for years. Plus, they've included 4 adorable matte color inserts so you can match the nursery or hide any slight clay shrinkage after drying. The dimensions are just right at 13.5 inches by 11.5 inches, big enough to feature 2 prints and a photo in the center, without overwhelming the shelf or wall. And speaking of display, it's designed for tabletop use, making it ideal for mantles, dressers, or even as part of a gallery wall. This isn't just a craft. It's a memory, frozen in time. Whether it's a thoughtful baby shower gift or a way to document your own little one's early days, this keepsake is something you'll treasure forever. It works just as well for your furry friends too. Little Hippo backs this product with a 12-month replacement guarantee, and that shows how confident they are in the quality. From design to durability, it delivers on all fronts. So if you're looking for the perfect newborn gift or just a special way to capture those early moments, the Little Hippo Baby Handprint and Footprint Kit is one of the best keepsakes out there. Easy, safe, elegant, and deeply sentimental. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews on the most heartfelt and high-quality products around. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.